Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition, so as can you see I can block the device with my face right now. And now I'll just show you a couple of tries to unblock this Samsung Galaxy device, and we'll see how fast and useful this unlock method is. So let's start. I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really fast, and just you can try to use it if you wanna. Just if you don't like, for example, some methods like the pattern or pins or passwords, you can use only the face recognition, but always be sure that here you get clean your camera. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.